Welcome to the updated RESviewer. This application was created to allow Fairfax County residents to explore the market sales that were used to compile the January 1st, 2025 assessment. It also provides an overview of how assessments have changed from last year. You'll find links to this application on the Department of Tax Administration's homepage and on the interactive map gallery. Once you open the site, the first thing you'll see is a splash page. Please take some time to read the page. To enter the application, I accept the disclaimer and click OK. Now let's do a quick tour. The header provides links back to the county website and the department's home page. On the right, you'll find several buttons that link you to informative videos and pages that will help you use this application, understand the terms used, and walk you through the assessment process and how to pick comparable sales. On the map, you'll find the search bar. You can search by address, parcel number, and neighborhood number. Navigation tools include the home button, the zoom slider, the My Location button, and the extent navigator. Keep in mind, this application is geared towards residential properties, including single-family, townhouses, vacant land, and condominiums. We've got the Layers and Legend button. It allows you to view the legend and turn layers on and off. The first layer you see is the Sales layer. All valid residential sales used to value each assessment neighborhood are included in this layer. Beneath that is the Median Percent Change Equalization layer. I can turn it off or on, but I'm going to zoom out to see more of the county. This layer illustrates the changes in assessment value for properties whose change was driven by market forces and not physical change such as permitted construction or demolitions. While we've got this layer up, let's click on one of the neighborhoods to open up a pop-up window. The label shows us the neighborhood number, the name, the median percent change, and the time frame used in the analysis of the assessment neighborhood. The assigned appraiser places most emphasis on the 12-month period leading up to January 1st, 2025. However, they can also review sales within 15 and 18 months. If I zoom, you'll begin to see the parcel layer, and I can click on one of these parcels to identify it and get a link to iCare. Next, let's look at the map gallery. From here, I can change the base map. Down here, we've got the sales table. This table is only included in the full screen and tablet versions of the app. It works dynamically with the map and filters as you interact with it. Over here, we've got the Sales Search tool. This tool allows you to drill down through the data to help you find what you're looking for. Let's say I live in the Hollybrook neighborhood. I've looked up my address on Patrick Henry Drive, and I now know that my neighborhood number is 95277. This neighborhood is made up of condominiums with 1 or 2 bedrooms. All have 1 full bath, and they were built in the 50s. Now, I know these properties are very similar, so I'm going to leave these options blank. I will enter my 2 bedrooms. Bedroom count is a new feature added to the application that was requested by our users last year. It's an important distinction in condo properties. We do not include this information for single-family or townhouse residential, as it is not one of the key characteristics for those types of neighborhoods. I see that there were 5 sales of 2-bedroom condos in my neighborhood for the assessment period. Let's narrow down my search even further. I haven't done any remodeling to my home since I purchased it, and I know it's in average condition. I can sort by condition over here and focus on other properties that are most like my own. I can click on an individual line on this table, and my map will zoom to that property. When I'm done, I can simply hit Cancel on the Filter tool. You may find that when you enter a neighborhood number, you get no sales results. In cases where there were no sales occurring in a neighborhood, appraisers must do additional research for their analysis. If this is the case for your neighborhood, we encourage you to call our office at 703-222-8234 to speak with a professional appraiser. They can walk you through how values were determined in your neighborhood. Lastly, we welcome your input. If you have time, please feel free to take our survey and let us know how this application could serve you better.